Moving on, BCA Leadership, Africa's largest leadership enhancement organization, in partnership with the Kenya Private Sector Alliance, KEPSA, and Strathmore School of Business, is set to host the 2024 edition of the Made in Africa Leadership Conference. The conference, to be held under the theme Making Africa Work for Africans, Bold Actions for Bold Results, will tackle pressing issues while showcasing Africa's potential for leadership excellence and ignite discussions to inspire action towards cultivating exemplary leadership across Africa.
As African leaders, we need to take that bold action for the area that we are responsible for. And I'm tired of hearing us implicitly blame others when we ourselves need to look at our own organizations, our own mini places, and say, what could I have done? What can I do to change that area?
A lot of what is happening in Africa is what our leaders are doing. And so we're finding a way of surviving as well, you know? So if we could just change a little bit of that, I think it will happen. But if I come to corporate institutions, it's finding the purpose.
We are where we are. We've learned a lot of lessons. We should not be reinventing the wheel in many, many respects. And therefore, the kind of leadership with vision, the kind of leadership with courage. I really liked what I heard about boldness, and it's here on the board as well. Because leadership is not for the faint-hearted, as we know. You've got to make some really, really tough decisions. Sometimes people will not want to follow you, they will jeer at you, etc.
Moving on, the Competition Authority of Kenya is seeking to